Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your LLC taxes. First, you need to determine your LLC's tax classification, as this dictates which forms you'll use. An LLC can be taxed as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or even a corporation, depending on your election. Gathering all your financial documents, like income statements and expense reports, is a crucial initial step to ensure accuracy and a smooth filing process. Your LLC's tax classification significantly impacts your filing requirements. If you're a single-member LLC, you'll generally file as a sole proprietorship using Schedule C with your personal Form 1040. Multi-member LLCs are typically treated as partnerships, requiring Form 1065. Electing S-Corp status by filing Form 1120S can sometimes provide tax advantages by allowing you to pay yourself a reasonable salary and distribute remaining profits. Knowing the correct forms and deadlines is vital for compliance. Sole proprietorships, including single-member LLCs, typically file Schedule C with their personal Form 1040 by April 15. Partnerships must file Form 1065 by March 15, and then issue Schedule K-1s to each partner. Similarly, S-corporations file Form 1120S by March 15, also providing K-1s to shareholders for their individual tax returns. Remember to pay estimated taxes quarterly if you expect to owe at least $1,000 to avoid penalties. This is a common requirement for self-employed individuals and LLC owners. Maintaining meticulous records for all income and expenses is crucial for accurate reporting and to support any deductions you claim. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Consulting a tax professional can provide personalized guidance for your specific LLC situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.